Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the master switch on a 2008 Ford F150. Do the pry tool, and get up on the panel. We're just going to slowly twist it until it comes up. There's the pry tool. Pull out the panel. We're going to disconnect the two electrical connectors to the switch. Push the tab down. Pull out one. Push the tab down. Pull out the other. You just pry the tabs away a little bit. So pry out one end of the switch, lift it up a little bit, and then pry the other end of the switch, and then it'll come out. So you'll want to do one side, angle it up, and then the other side, and it'll pop right out. So there we go. Got the old switch out. I'm going to replace with this BWD part, got from Advanced Auto. Looks exactly the same. You see this is all worn out, but it's exactly the same. Alright, I'm going to reinstall the new part. Push in one side. Push it back in firmly until all the tabs are in place. Reconnect your electrical connectors. Just plug them back up. Put the panel back on. Good to go. It's a quick, easy fix. Thanks for watching.